I have been thinking a lot about the current difficult real estate market. I believe so strongly in the American dream. I have a personal belief in homeownership, and that is worth every sacrifice that we might have to make to obtain it. It isn't always easy, but it's definitely worth it. When I bought my first home as a single mom, I had two small children and I was doubling what I was paying for housing. I was scared to death. In fact, I almost didn't go through with it, but I have never regretted my decision since. Have you ever heard of the difference between cows and buffaloes in a storm? Here it is. When cows see or sense a storm coming in, what do? They move away from it, thinking that if they run away, it won't get to them. As a result, they end up remaining in the storm longer as they are moved with it. Do you know what a buffalo does when it sees a storm? They turn into it. They move towards a storm at a faster pace, knowing that they will face it head on and that they will get through it faster and be stronger for the next one. Which one are you when you face life storms? Do you turn and run, or do you face it and work through it head on, recognizing that if you could just go through it, there will be a gift that will make you more prepared and stronger for the next pinnacle in life? So be the buffalo. Always have determination. Be brave and strong. Protect the herd. Appreciate and respect others. Stampede through obstacles. Never, ever give up. So what do you think? Are you a cow or a buffalo? I believe that homes and people match. I think it takes courage to dive into the housing market. I strive to educate and support my clients along their real estate journey. I am Janet Marroquin with Coldwell Banker Realty, and my YouTube channel is Living in Salt Lake City.